Hey there! Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of adding Solana to your Metamask wallet. Let's get started. Open your web browser and search for wrapped Solana. Click on the first link that appears, which will take you to a page. On the Wrapped Solana page, scroll down until you find the contract section. Click on the More button next to it, and then copy the BNB chain URL. Now, head over to your MetaMask wallet and click on the Network selection dropdown. Choose Add Network from the options. Select the BNB chain and fill in the required details. Once done, click on Save or Add, and you'll receive a confirmation that the network has been added successfully. Next, click on Import Tokens in MetaMask and paste the URL you copied from the Solana page. Hit Import to proceed. MetaMask will import the Solana tokens URL, and you'll be able to see it listed in your wallet. Click on it to view your Solana tokens. And there you have it. You've successfully added Solana to your MetaMask wallet. Now you can easily manage your Solana assets alongside your other cryptocurrencies. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.